Hey guys, so I was finally able to get my hands on some flour and now I can make some salt dough or DIY Play-Doh. It's really fun and I really hope you enjoy making this with me, so let's get started. First you're going to need a cutting board to play with your salt dough. You're going to need half a cup of flour, 1/4 cup of salt, 1/3 cup of warm water, some olive oil or canola oil, a bowl for mixing and a spoon, and if you want to make it colorful, grab some food coloring. Now we're going to mix half a cup of flour and 1/4 a cup of salt together. Mix it thoroughly. Next, I'm going to grab my 1/3 cup of warm water and measure out a tablespoon of oil and mix it in. I'm going to add about 7 drops of food coloring and mix it together. Once you've got that mixed together, you can add small amounts of water to your flour mixture and mix. Repeat this step until you've mixed all your water together with your flour mixture. At some point, I take my hands and mix it together. Now your salt dough is done and you can play with it. Here, I even make a little pinch pot. When you're done and ready to put it away, grab a plastic baggie and put your salt dough inside. Squeeze all the air out. It helps it to last longer. And then zip it closed. And stick it in the refrigerator. You can make all sorts of different colors with this salt dough. I hope you enjoyed making salt dough with me today, and I can't wait to see what you create. See you next time.